Welcome back to Sepang. I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me Matt Burt, down in pit lane Dylan Gray for this penultimate round, the MotoGP World Championship.
Pedrosa, Marquez, Rossi on the front row. Row 2, Lorenzo, Crutchlow and Andrea Iannone.
Row 3, Andrea Dovizioso, Maverick Vinales and Bradley Smith. Row 4, Aleix Espargaro, Pol Espargaro fit and Danilo Petrucci.
Row 5 headed by Stefan Bradl, Scott Redding and Jack Miller. Row 6, Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbera.
Hector Barbera, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Pol Espargaro. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2015 MotoGP World Champion? Can Lorenzo claw back an Indian advantage? Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
His 329th Grand Prix appearance. It's a new record for Grand Prix racing history. Will he celebrate by taking the 2015 MotoGP World title?
Lorenzo's leading the sighting lap, and that's a good start, isn't it, up towards turn 4. Dylan, track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine. It is quite hot and humid. It is a little bit warmer than it was in Moto2, but the good thing is this rain that they thought might come has stayed away. That doesn't mean that the teams won't be prepared. There could be a few interesting things with regards to wet tyre choice should they need to switch onto the number 2 bike. However, I don't think we should get into that right now, because as we stand, like you guys said, medium front, medium rear, it's going to be a straight shootout.
Take a big, deep breath at home. Boy, Lorenzo, Danny Pedrosa. A bit of a wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi in there also. Marc Marquez certainly not sending Christmas cards to each other at the moment. Just to remind you of the situation. Rossi leads that World Championship by 11 points. Will he be crowned the new champion?
Waits with bated breath. The 2015 Malaysian Grand Prix about to start in front of a crowd of almost 90,000 fans. Valentino Rossi versus Jorge Lorenzo, the 2015 MotoGP World Championship potentially on the line.
The GP World Champion. Can Jorge Lorenzo claw back an Indian advantage? Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
His 329th Grand Prix appearance. It's a new record Grand Prix appearance.
Juara 1 bro. Hati lo anjing.
Welcome back to Sepang. I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me Matt Burt, Dan.
Saat kau berlari mengejar anganmu dan tak pernah sampai, ya sudah. Yang terjadi bukan selalu ada untukmu. Janganlah kau
Awas karung dia.
Cause everything's gonna be okay. Satu dari sekian kemungkinan kau jatuh, ada harapan. Saat lagi aku persembahkan bersama jiwa, cinta dan harapan. Sambung satu persatu sebab akibat. Tapi tenanglah, mata hati kita akan lihat menuntun ke arah mata angin bahagia. Kau dan aku tahu Satukan langkah kita selasa terbanglah bersamaku melayang
Adan guys. Guys, udah buka kita guys. Oh my god, udah buka guys.